side, you'll see a black rhinoceros. The black rhino is the smallest of the rhinoceros species. It weighs only 3,000 pounds. Only 3,000 pounds. You see them? They can hold their breath for many, many minutes underwater. Long. And they have the most powerful jaw bite of any animal. Dazzle of zebras, but their horns really are not that heavy. Their horns are honeycomb on the inside. By pumping blood into the horn, that's actually how they can regulate their bodies, like to rest over there in the cave. Largest migratory herd. When they migrate in a herd of 1.5 million. Maasai giraffe. The Maasai giraffe will grow to a towering height of 20 foot tall, making it the tallest mammal. And again, a group of giraffe is called a tower of giraffes. Notice how it has to drink, kids. It has to spread its front legs out in order to touch the ground. On the left-hand side, that's a termite mound also. Usually I get... Flapping their ears, that elephant literally can lower their body temperature by 15 degrees. Man, I wish I'd be able to flap my big ears on a hot day. How about you? Cross your fingers, two hands, my friends. Keep your feet up, my friends. Kids, lift your feet up. Keep your fingers crossed. It's really skinny. Oh my, I'm okay on the left. Am I okay over there on the right-hand side? So far, so good. Oh my, we almost made it, my friends. Front tires are over the bridge. I'm waiting for the back tires. By the size of that baby elephant, I'm going to say that baby elephant is about a year old. When a baby elephant is born, they weigh between 200 and 300 pounds. This is the matriarch. The matriarch are all of the female elephants and their young. When a young male elephant gets to the age of being a teenager, the male elephants are kicked out of the matriarch. You'll also see the elephants moving their trunks. They have more muscles in their trunks than we have in our whole entire human body. Imagine that. And their trunk can hold up to 5 gallons of water. Oh, Hakuna Matata, no worries. Flamingo get their beautiful pink color because of what they eat. Anybody on board know what they eat? Shrimp. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. A flamboyance, a flamingo. We're going to be heading into the eastern part of the savannas. The white rhino is substantially larger than the black rhinoceros. Friends, you learned that the black rhino weighed only how much? 3,000 pounds. Well, this rhinoceros weighs 4, 5, up to 6,000 pounds. And it can run at a crashing speed of 35 miles per hour. A group of a crashing rhino. Now he's going to rub that mud off on that branch there, cleaning parasites off his skin. Miles an hour. That's pretty good for only having 2 toes. Cracker break. The shell is really, really tough. Warden Wilson is trying to help out by raising these Nigerian dwarf goats. These goats are called ruminants. And what that means is they have 4 chambers in their stomach. So these goats actually can eat and digest weeds that the other